Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Lenovo computer starts making beeping sounds during startup, it can feel confusing because the device may not boot normally or may stop on a black screen. Sometimes the beeps happen only once, while in other cases they repeat in a pattern, making users think something serious has happened. These startup sounds are actually signals from the Lenovo system that try to point toward a hardware or startup related issue. The beeping may happen because of memory connection problems, keyboard issues, battery conditions, or temporary system interruptions. The great thing is that startup beeps do not always mean major damage, and many users are able to solve the issue with a few basic checks. In this video, I will show you step by step how to fix a Lenovo computer that beeps at startup. Try these. Step 1. Turn off the Lenovo computer completely and disconnect the Lenovo computer from power for a short time. Step 2. Restart the Lenovo computer and listen carefully to the Lenovo computer beep pattern during startup. Step 3. Disconnect extra devices from the Lenovo computer to check if the Lenovo computer starts normally. Step 4. Check the battery and power connection of the Lenovo computer to make sure the Lenovo computer is receiving stable power. Step 5. Press keys carefully and confirm no key on the Lenovo computer keyboard is stuck during Lenovo computer startup. Step 6. Turn on the Lenovo computer again and confirm the Lenovo computer startup beep issue is resolved.